Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's Get Ready With Me, I'm going to be doing the famous latte makeup, so let's get started. So for my base makeup, I'm gonna go light and use a tinted moisturizer. I hope this isn't too much. I'm gonna use my finger and distribute the product. I'm gonna take my sponge and blend it out. I was looking at review for this tinted moisturizer and a lot of people said that this tinted moisturizer gave them like a medium coverage. I personally feel like this tinted moisturizer is very light. It's definitely for people that's looking for a very natural makeup. I'm gonna apply a little bit more. Oh my god, I really need to exfoliate my skin. I see like all these dead skin cells. I'm just putting a little bit like this. Because the tinted moisturizer was very light, I'm just going to lightly use concealer to conceal any areas that I want to conceal. Wow, my skin is so disgusting right now. If you want your base makeup to apply nicely on your skin, make sure to exfoliate your skin, because I didn't exfoliate my skin and now you could see all the dry skin. Next, let's contour. I'm gonna be using a cream contour and I'm going to apply it right here, jawline for sure, and then I'm gonna apply it like right here. Why does it feel like this color and this color looks totally different? Am I doing something wrong? Okay, let's put some on my nose right here. I don't know why this looks darker than this. I thought maybe like my foundation got on it and I tried to wipe it off, but still it just doesn't look right. Just going to blend this out. Before I move on to my eyes, I'm going to contour some more. I'm just gonna mix these two colors together. I'm just going over the areas that I've contoured. When I was doing my research on this look, it was all about having that like sculptured, bronzy glow to the skin and your eyes. So I'm going to do this first and then move on to my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm putting the contour color like right here and kind of bring it down to my eyes, and I'm just applying it in this area like this, and same thing on this side, putting it right here and then diffusing it out. I'm also going to apply the contour here. I'm just gonna blend it up. I also got burned. I don't know if you could see that. I have a little burn mark. I was cooking Spam and then the Spam grease like popped on my pan and it went straight to my eye. That's my little battle scar from cooking Spam. So as you can see, I pulled the contour color up and then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to pull the color up. And then whatever's left over, I'm just gonna bring it in. With a smaller brush, again, mixing these two, I'm going to apply this on my bottom lash line. And while we're here, I'm just gonna finish contouring my nose. So I'm gonna shade the bottom and I'm gonna work my way to create a little shadow on top of my nose. Since it's a little hard, I'm gonna blend it with my finger. I'm also gonna apply contour like right here. A little bit right here. I don't know, I feel like doing it. Next, I'm going to apply a base color and then apply like a shimmery bronze color. So for my base, I'm gonna take this color and I'm just going to very lightly apply it all over my lids. And then for my shimmery bronze, I'm gonna use this color. This color is so pretty. Just like a really nice bronzy shimmer. When I saw the latte trend, I immediately thought of this color. So I'm going to apply this all over my lids. I also added to my lash line. I applied it very close to my lash line. Actually, I applied it on my lash line. I'm pretty much using the shadow to line my lash line. I'm also going to apply this color. Let me show you how it looks, because I think it looks kind of too coppery right now. So it's kind of to tone it down, I'm gonna apply this color. So as you could see, it's not as coppery and it just kind of gives that bronzy look. Because I'm gonna apply lashes, I'm gonna take this dark brown shadow and line my eyes, but I'm not gonna give myself a wing. I took off the lashes because it kind of looks better without it. So I am not going to apply it today. I was looking at my brows yesterday and I kind of want to shave this part off. You know? Like shave it off like this. Because I realized my brows go like down, right? And I don't like how it goes down like that. I kind of just want to go like up, you know? I don't know, we'll see. So for my blush, I don't have like a bronzy blush. I think if I did, the look would have been perfect, but unfortunately I don't have that. I'm just gonna lightly apply like a deep red color. If I had like a shimmery bronzer, the look would be so pretty. And for my lips, just going to apply a nice nude lip gloss. I am done with the look. Here is a close-up of how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it. If you look here, this is a result of not exfoliating my skin. I could apply a ton of moisturizer, but if I don't exfoliate, I will always have this. So this is a reminder to exfoliate your skin regularly so that this doesn't happen. I'm not gonna blame the foundation. I am not gonna blame the serum, the moisture I'm using. I am taking the fault for not exfoliating my skin. That results in this. So always exfoliate your skin. But anyways, this is my final look. This is my version of the latte makeup. Thank you so much for joining me. Like this video and comment how you like your coffee. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.